Hello guys, today is 19th February and today's daily law is choose time. In this law, the author says after graduating from the Zurich Polytechnic in 1900, 21-year-old Albert Einstein found his job prospects extremely meager. He had graduated near the bottom of the class, almost certainly nullifying any chance to obtain a teaching position. Happy to be away from the university, he now planned to investigate on his own certain problems in physics that had haunted him several years. It would be a self apprenticeship in theorizing and thought experiments. But in the meantime, he would have to make a living. He had been offered a job in his father's dynamo business in Milan as an engineer. But such work would not leave him any free time. A friend could land him a well paid position in an insurance company, but that would stultify his brain and sap his energy for thinking. Then, a year later, another friend mentioned a job opening up in Swiss patent office in Bern. The pay, pa- the pay was not great, the position was at the bottom, the hours were long, and the work consisted of the rather mundane task of looking over patent applications. But Einstein leaped at the charm. It was everything he wanted. His task would be to analyze the validity of patent applications, many of which involved aspects of science that interested him. The applications would be like little puzzles or thought experiments. He could try to visualize how the ideas would actually translate into inventions. Working on them would sharpen his reasoning powers. After several months on his job, he became so good at this mental game that he could finish his work in 2 or 3 hours, leaving him the rest of the day to engage in his own thought experiments. In 1905, he published his first theory of relativity, much of the work having been done while he was at his desk in the patent office. Daily law. Time is the critical variable. Take one thing off your Take one thing off your plate today to make more time for your life's task. This law is taken from his book Mastery Law 13. Law 3rd. Submit to reality, the ideal apprenticeship. Thank you.